What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and we're going to be talking about top 3 tips to help you lose weight on a vegan lifestyle. Now, just because you're eating vegan, that doesn't mean you're eating healthy. A lot of vegan food is refined, processed, contains lots of oil, lots of processed ingredients. Now I say if you look at the back of whatever you're eating, the first one, eat whole foods. If you look at the back of whatever you're eating, and you have to be a scientist to understand it, get it out of your life. You want to center your diet around whole plant foods. Lots of fruits, lots of vegetables. Make sure to eat lots of vegetables. You know what I mean? That's like something that's missing in a lot of people's vegan game. Not enough vegetables and too much oil. Cut oil out of your life. Treat oil like you do if someone accidentally brought you animal products and you were vegan. You're like, whoa, what's this doing here? I'm not eating it. Treat oil that seriously and develop this mindset that you don't need oil. You can cook without oil. You can eat whole natural plant foods and it still be tasty. Eliminate this idea of junk food eating. Eliminate the idea of junk food. For me, junk food eating is like an insult to your food, because you're like, okay, the food that I'm eating is subpar to this junk food that gives me hyper pleasure. Whereas you can get really, really tasty food that's actually good for you. So eliminate that. First one, eat whole plant foods. The second one is to reprogram your subconscious mind to enable you to be able to actually do the first one. A lot of the times the person we are and the person we want to be is in conflict. We want to stay the same. But recognize that your subconscious mind is the powerhouse of getting your goals. The subconscious mind is actually the goal getter, but you can consciously set the goals for your subconscious mind to go to work on. You are the captain of the ship, and the ship is the subconscious mind. So reprogramming the subconscious mind through affirmations, through visualizations, through getting coaches, people that have just been doing it for such a long time, you're around them, and that brushes off on you. The same way if you're around, if you lived in a house of athletes, or you lived in a house of like tech entrepreneurs or something like that, or you lived in a house of people who are really proficient at something, a bit of that's going to rub off on you just because you're around them. And if you've got good rapport, good harmony, then you're more likely to be influenced. So reprogram your subconscious mind through affirmations, visualizations, goal setting, and coaching. And the third one is don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other. You're gonna have days where you're like, oh, I was eating so clean and then I slipped up. I had an oily food. I had a processed burger or something like that. It's okay. Just get back on the cart. Get back on the bike. Put the trainers back on and keep walking. Sometimes we have to fall and get back up to really, really understand the whole process, the journey, to get better clarification that this is what we're supposed to do. Because when we fall, we feel like crap. The food, even though it was really pleasurable, even though the food was really pleasurable, we end up just feeling like crap the next day, and you're like, is this worth it? And I remember hitting this stage after maybe like the first month of doing like completely oil-free, whole food, plant-based, and then I add something oily and greasy, and like I just felt it in my body the next day, and then I started getting boils again, and the pain and the boils and stuff like that, and I just wasn't feeling as good. And I'm like, damn, even though I fell, I'm gonna get back up, because where I was before felt so much better. And that's why I'm saying don't give up. So that being said, I'm wishing you all the success on a vegan lifestyle, plant-based lifestyle. Peace, love, veganism. Like and subscribe. I am out.